Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So still, this is Sir Glee Reacts, and I do honest reaction videos on your favorite artists, performers, or any videos that you want me to react to. So for this video, I am very excited because we first reacted to this girl, to this artist. And she sang Wicked Game, so if I'm not mistaken. And I am very impressed by her. The tone of her voice, the richness of her voice is just really amazing. And today we'll be having a reaction to Miss Diana Ankudinova. So I hope that I really pronounced that name correct, and forgive me if I haven't pronounced that one correct. So I will still learn it. Pronouncing that name of this really amazing girl. And I am very shook because based on your comments, the video that I reacted on her, if I'm not mistaken, she's only 15 years old on that video. And that voice that is coming from her is just really amazing, very professional. It's like she's been in the industry for almost 20 plus years. So I'm just very amazing. It's just very amazing. It's just very overwhelming to hear that and to see that performance of her. And today we'll be reacting to her singing Blizzard. So I don't know if this is also from the same, I don't know if that's a competition or an event on Russia, because lots of you told me that she is a Russian. And yeah, for those Russian subscribers that is new to our family, welcome, 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 welcome. You know, by the way, I am a Filipino reactor based here in the Philippines. So yeah, I'm very excited for this one. So without further ado, by the way, before we start our reaction, if you're not yet a part of this family, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for more and more and more reaction videos. And also please give this video a thumbs up. So let's start this one in 3, 2, 1, play. She has a simpler outfit here than the past video. But the vibe on her performance. Yes, again, that tone of her voice. I don't know what's the purpose of that button, if that is like if you want her to be on the next round or something. But you know, we're just here not for those buttons, but for the amazing performance of Miss Diana. Yes, tell me that story. You know what? I cannot still believe that the voice that I'm hearing now is coming from this young lady. You know, if you will not really observe the way she's singing, you can really say that just lip syncing this voice. Because for a young girl, it's very I mean, not all these young girls out there has this kind of voice. She's just very special to have this kind of voice, and it's really amazing. I just really love the texture of her voice. I just really love how she tells the story of the song. I just really love her conviction when it comes to singing every lyrics of that song. Yes, to that range. Give me some range. Ooh, I'm so proud of her. Yes, to the breadiness.
Но не со мной.
Woo!
Кружит белая вьюга, тихо ходит зима. Слышишь, как замерзаю снова я без тебя.
Oh, I don't know why I'm crying. Wow. Okay. Wow. I don't know why did I cry. I'm just really proud of her. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Okay. I just tears just fell on my eyes and I don't know why. You know what? This young girl is just really special. You know what? Hearing the story of Miss Diana is just really amazing. You know, the perseverance of her and just the her guts to really face the world, to really face life is just really amazing. And yeah, I became a fan of Miss Diana when I first watched her video, but I became a more fanatic individual, a fanatic person of Miss Diana Ankudinova because of her story. And that story really gave me goosebumps. And I think that really, the story that I read about her reflects on how I see her in this performance and yeah, how she dedicated herself in each and every performance and just that is just really amazing. That's why maybe that's why I cried because yeah, I just felt her emotion. You know what? There are only few artists who can really get your emotional side, who can really touch you emotionally. And Miss Diana is one of those artists. She's really great. I don't know what is her age right now, but regardless of that, she's just really amazing. She's just really amazing as a person and as a singer, as an artist. So yeah, I'm just very thankful for all those fans of Miss Diana to really keep on supporting on her, and she's just really something. She really means business. She is something on the music industry. So yeah, that's our reaction for this video. This is a bit short video. So if you have a longer video of her, just comment down below so I can react to those. And yeah, thank you so much for all the support to all my friends out there internationally. So yeah, thank you guys. If you like that reaction video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not yet a part of this family, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more reaction videos. So see you on the next video. Bye.